All right, guys, so let's move on. So we have actually done the installation of Django. So I'm going to move it to completed. We have also done the creation of the project. So it's also completed. We have also created our first Django app. We have created our first Django app and it's also completed. So what we're going to be doing is to, first of all, now create a simple view. So now let's create our simple Django view. All right, so first of all, going to go into the Swift app folder like this. So we are now in the Swift app. And at this point, I'm going to create a file called views.py. So views.py. Okay. So now that we have views.py created, I want to import, and I'm going to import HTTP response. So we say from django.http, we're going to import HTTP response like this. And now that we have imported the HTTP response, I'm going to create a function called a function. I'm going to call it dashboard view, dashboard view like this, and it's actually going to take a request. So I'm going to pass in a request like this. Now that we have done this, we're going to return. And what we're going to be returning is the HTTP response we imported. And this HTTP response is now going to take our HTML we want to display on our web page. So I'm just going to do H1 like this and close the H1 like this. And I'm going to write, welcome to Swift Hub. Welcome to Swift Hub. Dashboard like this. Dashboard. And I have to close it. All right. So now that I have done this, the next thing I need to do is to come into our urls.py. So inside the urls.py, I would probably, what I could do is to say path. We're going to use a path, and it's going to take this argument. So now that we have run our application and we are seeing that, congratulations, it's actually on the base URL. So on the base URL, I just want to replace the base URL with what the function that we have created. We wanted to say that welcome to Swift App. So here I'm going to bring a comma and then the view that we created. So I'm just going to put the views here and then bring a comma. So here I also have to import the function view that we have created. So we're going to say from dot views, I actually made it view, so I could go by that. From dot view import, and we're going to import dashboard view like this. So now I could save changes to all the files right here. Now I'm going to go back to our page here and then refresh. And if everything works successfully, we actually going to have this page being replaced with what we did. And now we are seeing welcome to Swift App. So this is a simple view we create to display information on our dashboard, and we're also able to map it to a URL.